Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm flying my WLtoys V912 fixed pitch helicopter. It's a great little flyer. I've had this for some time now, I just never flown it on camera and I didn't do no unboxing on it. But this is a great, perfect helicopter if you're moving from beginner to intermediate. It's a great little flyer and it's like the perfect size. And it comes with a pretty nice transmitter. So take it for a flight finally and let you see. All right. All right. Nice stable flight. It's not very windy today, so it's flying really good. Let me bring it down a little lower so you can see it better. I know it's small. Getting out there a ways now, you know.
Yeah.
Here it comes. So fun. Got to set my timer, so I'll have to guess how long I've been flying. I like doing them low flybys. This was fun. I'm gonna bring it in because I'm not sure how long. Battery usually lasts between 5 and 6 minutes. For me it does. And if you're up there and the battery dies, it's falling out of the sky. But there it is. The WLtoys V912. That's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna see if I can land it on that small little square. I doubt it. Let's see. I seriously doubt it. Come on, baby. Whoa, yeah! Woo! Look at that. Perfect landing. That was luck, by the way. Yeah, that was luck. I couldn't do that again. Let me try it again, just to see. Oh! Maybe I do have some skill. Maybe. Or that thing's just so easy to do. Alright guys, so that was the WLtoys V912. And like I said, it's a great little flyer. Cheap in price. Very stable. Windy days, you might not want to fly it on windy days because it gets pushed around. And it's not very windy today, a little breeze. But cheap in price, I recommend it. Till next time.